This festive season, give your home a makeover gift. From kitchen to bathroom renovation, from furnitures to curtains, from lights to wooden flooring, end-to-end wall decor and home decor. One-stop decor solution. Visit soon at Asian Paints Beautiful Homes, Kedarmul, Bimal Kumar, Lakhiya Road, Shillong.
আগে শিলংয়ে চুরির ঘটনা খুব কমই শোনা যেত, কিন্তু আজ শিলংয়ে এমন একটি দিন যায় না যেদিন চুরির ঘটনা ঘটে না। এই চোরদের হাত থেকে কিছুই অবশিষ্ট নেই। সাধারণ মানুষের বাড়ি হোক, গাড়ি হোক, অফিস হোক বা দোকান হোক, সর্বত্রই এই চোররা এখন হাত মুছতে ব্যস্ত। আর তার চেয়ে বড় কথা, এখন ধর্মীয় স্থানও এই চোরদের হাত থেকে নিরাপদ নয়। এমনই একটি ঘটনা প্রকাশ্যে আসে ২-৭ নভেম্বর শহরের লাললাবণে এলাকায় অবস্থিত ইউনিটেরিয়ান চার্চ থেকে চোরেরা অনেক মূল্যবান জিনিস চুরি করে নিয়ে গেছে। গির্জায় এসে দেখেন, ওই এলাকার হেডম্যানও এসে এফআইআর নথিভুক্ত করেছেন। জানিয়ে রাখি, গত ২-৩ বছর ধরে শিলংয়ের এমন কোনো এলাকা নেই যেখানে বাড়িতে চুরির ঘটনা ঘটেনি। মানুষ সবার বাড়িতে চুরি হয়ে গেছে। আর আশ্চর্যের বিষয় হল, আজ পর্যন্ত এই চোর দলের কোনো সদস্যকে ধরতে পারেনি পুলিশ।
So this morning, I was informed by this one of the son of the caretaker over here. Then after that, when I got the news, so I was running from home. When I reached here, so from outside only, outside of the just from the veranda, I just looked inside. I did not enter far because you know when the place there. Not good. Because one of the elders also, he was here and he told me that he only informed the police station over here. Yes. So only we informed our headman also. So we waited for them. When police came, then only we went together. So we entered inside and police they everything. After that we found out that. All the mattress inside the church. So 4 clockpots missing and 1 chalice in this new church building. So only those. After that, we got the old church building because here also they enter those keys. So over here we found that only 1 chalice missing. Part of that we couldn't get any other things like.
So we also saw the donation box was broken.
Yes. Yeah. After police came, then we on the pulpit, on the back side of the pulpit, there's a almirah type, you know. So we used to keep that donation box. So that also they broke open that donation box, but there's nothing inside there. That's why.
So what?
There was a theft case here in the church itself, Unitarian Church Ramanallaban. So maybe theft is taking place maybe around 3:30, 4 o'clock like that, early in the morning. So we came to know only at 7 o'clock like that. So we came rushing from our own house and checked the church. There are some material, very valuable materials has been have taken away. By the chef.
So as a wrong was now.
So far, that's why we see police also we have informed. They have taken FIR, everything. Report has been given to the police also to investigate the case. They came, but the only thing is that what we request is that I see from Shillong also we have to take very serious this matter, and as well as the government also from the police department also patrolling of the area should be done. At least, especially in the early hours, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock like that.
So never before have we heard in.
No, I think we just heard. We saw from the news that there's some theft case, some areas. Even church also we heard like that only. So that I cannot say anything. How to depend on the government, depend on the police department.